Cristina Banawa Garcia, content creator name, Dalagang Kulayanan Junction Vlog at Buhay Provincial Vlog. Birth date November 26, 2003, age 21, this incoming November 26, the age of 22 years old. Sex, female, civil status, single, nationality, Filipino, region, Kalinga, address, Junction Kulayanan, Pinopok, Kalinga. Email address, christingarciabanawa@gmail.com. YouTube channels, https://www.youtube.com Christine Garcia Q5W. FB name, Dalagang Kulayanan Junction Vlog at Buhay Provincia Vlog. TikTok, Christine Banawa Garcia. Instagram, Christine Banawa. Content profile, cooking, merienda at ulam. Bukid life, simpleng living. Hugot lines, and inspiring story. Constant style, grade 12 graduate. Reliables and family friendly. Mission and vision, magbahagi ng masarap na at simpleng lutuin at makulay na kwento ng buhay sa bukid upang magbigay inspirasyon, saya at kabuhayan sa manonood. Language, Filipino, Ilocano, Kalinga, English. Started creating content since August 2025.